Are you a student or professional who is looking for a powerful laptop that's lightweight, flexible, and doesn't break the bank? Then this video is for you. Two-in-one laptops are perfect combo of a laptop and tablet, great for classes, assignments, Netflix, and even drawing or taking notes with a touchscreen. But with so many options, which one give you the best value for money? Don't worry, we have got you covered in this video. We are continuing with the top 5 series of our channel with the top 5 budget 2-in-1 laptops for students and professionals that you can buy. We will tell you the screen size, weight, price, and give you easy to understand review of each of the laptop, and we'll also list the pros and cons. For all the laptops, I have provided the link in the description and also tagged in this video. If you have any queries related to buying any new laptop, you can comment in the comment section. HP Pavilion X360 14 comes with the 14-inch size and will cost you around $600 to $800 in the international market and around 60 to 80,000 rupees in India. HP Pavilion X360 has been a trusted name in a student laptops. Students used to trust Dell and HP more than other laptop brands. But when it comes to the 2-in-1 budget laptop, this is the most purchased laptop that comes with a 2-in-1 design and good specification. Like this laptop comes with a 13th generation Intel Core i5 processor, 16GB RAM, and 1TB of SSD. And this laptop is ready for multitasking, whether it is coding, writing reports, or streaming lectures. The 360-degree hinge is smooth and the touchscreen feels responsive, making it perfect for sketching or note-taking with a stylus. The build is lightweight and stylish, and the keyboard is very comfortable, and HP's Bang & Olufsen speakers provide decent sound quality. Battery life is again good, not as good as a MacBook, but okay, you can manage 7 to 8 hours on a single charge. Buy this amazing laptop for its smooth 360-degree hinge and touchscreen, fast SSD and 16GB RAM, good for light gaming and multitasking, and fast charging. Asus Vivobook S14 Flip with a 14 inches of size and a price of around $600 to $800. It's an amazing laptop. The Asus S14 Flip offers a great mix of flexibility and value. Powered by Intel Core i5 13th generation processor and 16GB RAM, it handles student workloads with ease. The build quality is decent with a full metal lid and solid 360-degree hinge. The laptop is super light and easy to carry around, perfect for students who need to be on the move. The touchscreen is responsive and the keyboard is nice for long typing sessions. Battery life is close to 8 to 9 hours, and the SSD offers fast boot ups and app loading. It's not made for heavy gaming or video editing, but it does a great job with the everyday tasks like presentations, Zoom calls, and browsing. Buy this amazing laptop for its lightweight and portable design, good typing experience, fast SSD performance, and clean design. Lenovo Yoga 14 powered by Ryzen 7 comes with a 14 inches of size and a price around $600 to $800 or around 60 to 90,000 rupees. Buy this amazing laptop for its excellent OLED display, strong AMD Ryzen 7 performance, premium feel and finish, and 1TB of SSD. This one for students or professionals who want style and power. The Yoga 7 with the Ryzen 7 processor is fast and efficient. Applications open in seconds and multitasking is smooth thanks to the 16GB RAM and 1TB SSD. The OLED screen is a beauty, sharp, bright, and vibrant, making Netflix binging or online classes look amazing. Battery lasts about 7 hours, not bad for an OLED panel. The build quality is strong and a backlit keyboard adds premium vibes. It's great for students who want to mix work and entertainment. Although it's slightly heavier than others, it offers top performance in this price range. Lenovo Yoga 7i, powered by Intel Core Ultra 5 or Ultra 7 processor, comes with a 14 inches of sizes and OLED display. Buy this amazing laptop for its super fast Core Ultra chip, gorgeous OLED display, excellent multitasking ability, and sleek design. The Intel powered Yoga 7i takes everything great about the AMD version and makes it even smoother. The Ultra processor from Intel and Intel Arca graphics and 16 GB LPDDR5X RAM mean it can handle heavy tasks, multiple tabs, and even light video editing with ease. The OLED screen is brilliant and the colors pops in both work and entertainment. This laptop feels ultra premium but still practical. It runs cool and quiet and has a large battery that lasts around 8 hours. The hinge is sturdy and it works well in tent, tablet, and laptop mode. It's on the expensive side, but definitely worth it if you want longevity and top specs. Asus Vivobook 14 Flip OLED. This laptop is amazing. You can buy this laptop for its incredible OLED display, Core Ultra performance, smooth multitasking, stylish and solid build. This is hands down the best value 2-in-1 laptop that you can buy. The Asus Vivobook Flip OLED combines Core Ultra chip performance, Intel Arc GPU, 16 GB RAM, and 512 GB SSD, giving you premium level performance at a mid-range price. So whether you are using it for class, content creation, or entertainment, it handles everything smoothly. The star here is the OLED screen. It's rich, colorful, and sharp, making it great for media and design students. The hinge is strong and the build quality is excellent for the price. Battery life is decent and it charges fast. If you're looking for power, portability, and stunning screen without spending a fortune, then this is the one to go for. The disappointments with this laptop is its slightly higher price for students on a tight budget. But if you can stretch your budget more, then you can buy this. But it's a quality product that comes with great specs. But again, the disappointment here is there is no stylus included. So that is the most disappointing thing here. So these are the 5 amazing budget 2-in-1 laptops for students or professionals. If you want to enjoy the portability, if you want to enjoy the laptop tablet combo and use the laptop in different modes and touch screen, the stylus, then these laptops are best for you. So which laptops did you like? Please comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.